Welcome to our health and fitness channel. If you're seeking a healthier, more vibrant life, you've landed in the right spot. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our transformative health tips. Today, we unveil a game-changing 5-minute workout that rivals a full gym session. This compact, intense routine is tailored for the modern, busy lifestyle, ensuring fitness doesn't fall through the cracks. So, let's dive right in. And remember, your body is your temple. Sculpt it wisely. The 5-minute miracle. In the quest for health and fitness, consistency is your best companion, and procrastination your worst enemy. We understand the struggle. The intent is there, but somehow the action slips away. Yet amidst our bustling lives, a mere 5 minutes stand between you and your fitness goals. This isn't about having a state-of-the-art gym or expansive jogging tracks at your doorstep. It's about harnessing the power of brief, effective exercises right in your living room, right before the day's chaos ensues. Imagine starting your day not with reluctance, but with a burst of energy, a 5-minute routine that wakes up every muscle, paving the way for a day brimming with vitality. This isn't just an exercise, it's a pledge to yourself, a commitment to your well-being. But here lies the pivotal moment, the choice to step up, to transform intentions into actions. This 5-minute commitment demands your dedication, a small slice of your 24 hours. Yet it promises profound changes. Slack not, for inconsistency is the thief of progress. This routine, simple as it may appear, holds the power to redefine your health, but only if given the unwavering loyalty it deserves. You might wonder, what magic can I conjure in just 5 minutes? The answer lies in diversity and discipline. Each day offers a new blend of exercises, ensuring your body remains challenged, your mind engaged. The beauty of this approach? It caters to your personal preferences while guarding against the monotony that often dulls the exercise spark. Here's how you can structure this mini powerhouse routine. Day 1, core conviction. Start with a minute of planks, transition into bicycle crunches, and wrap up with seated twists. Engage every part of your core, envisioning it as the robust center of your body's universe. Day 2, lower body blitz. Greet the day with squats, lunges, and calf raises. Feel the strength in your legs, the very pillars that carry you through life's myriad paths. Day 3, upper body awakening. Push-ups, followed by arm circles and tricep dips. Sculpt your shoulders, chest, and arms. Witness the power vested in your upper body, ready to embrace the world's challenges. Day 4, agility and balance. Incorporate jump squats, side lunges, and balance holds. Cultivate grace and poise, for a body in balance is a life in harmony. Day 5, total body fusion. Combine elements from the previous days for a holistic challenge. Revel in the symphony of movement, the unity of muscles working in concert. Remember, the essence of this routine is not merely in the exercises, but in the ritualistic devotion to their execution. 5 minutes every day, no exceptions. This consistency, this daily homage to your health, will unravel benefits far surpassing the apparent simplicity of the act. As you embark on this journey, let the initial resistance be a testament to the transformation awaiting on the other side. Embrace the challenge, for the body adapts, strengthens, and thrives under consistent care. Anticipate the days when your body, once sluggish, now pulses with newfound energy and vigor. When the daily workout evolves from a chore to a cherished ritual, a time of communion with your inner strength. This, dear viewers, is not a mere workout. It's a catalyst for change, a daily declaration of your commitment to health. It's a testament that within the confines of 5 short minutes lies the potential for lifelong fitness. But let's not forget, the physical act of exercising is but one facet of this wellness gem. Nutrition plays the co-starring role. Pair this daily ritual with mindful eating, hydrating generously, and choosing foods that fuel and nourish. Let your diet be a reflection of your respect for your body, another cornerstone in the temple you're building. And in the spirit of building, build your knowledge, your awareness. Understand that every squat, every push-up is an investment in your future self. With each passing day, you're not just burning calories, you're igniting a brighter, healthier future. So here's the challenge. Start today, not tomorrow, not next Monday, today. Embrace the 5-minute leap toward a healthier you. Watch as days turn into weeks, and reluctance turns into anticipation. And remember, in the grand tapestry of life, every minute counts. Make these 5 minutes a non-negotiable part of your day, a pact with yourself that, despite the world's demands, your health will never take the back seat. Concluding this, remember the essence of our message. Build your anatomy. It's not just an option, it's the only option. Thank you for joining us on this journey to reclaim your health, 5 minutes at a time. If you're ready to take control, start today and never look back. Subscribe for more daily hacks and hit that notification bell. Here's to building a healthier, stronger you. Until next time.